up? It's Remy and welcome back to my channel. So, in case you did not know, I love K-pop so much. I've been a K-pop stan since like forever, you don't even know. Also, in case you didn't know, I am 3/4 Korean, and in today's video, I thought I would honor my family, my grandma, my ancestors, and transform myself into a K-pop star. Seriously, I've been obsessed with like Shiny, Girls' Generation, Wonder Girls, like all of those groups for so long. And more recently, I've been really obsessed with Blackpink. I saw them at Coachella, and I think they are so cute and so talented. So, in today's video, I thought I would transform myself into a Blackpink member. Honestly, I've just been looking for an excuse to wear a wig. And I actually tweeted out to you guys and asked you which is your favorite Blackpink member, and a ton of you guys said Rosie or Rose or Rose. I'm so sorry, I watched so many interviews and I'm not really sure how to say her name because she says it a ton of different ways. Either way, she's adorable, she's super talented, and I want to become her. Also, thank you so much to the Crumb Shop for sponsoring this video. I am so excited for it. And let's just get into this full transformation. Alright guys, starting off with my favorite part, which is the makeup. We are here in my glam room and we're going to get glam, and I'm very excited about it. So I'm going to start off by putting my hair back with a little headband. We got a lot to do. Okay, so if you know anything about K-beauty or K-pop or just Korea in general, you know that we are very big on skincare, which this is perfect timing because my skin is freaking out right now because I ate a lot of ice cream this weekend and it did not like it. Well, my stomach liked it, my skin did not. So we're gonna start off with a sheet mask, which again, they are just so big on skincare and everything like that. Obviously, all products that I'm using are from the Crumb Shop and they have the cutest stuff. In honor of the person that we are transforming ourselves into today, we are going to use the Crumb Shop Rose Water Infused face mask, which is just very fitting. I love sheet masks so much. I also love when you put them in the refrigerator and get them nice and cold, especially with it being summer and it being stupid hot outside. So I'm going to put this on and keep this on for about 15 minutes or so to let my skin absorb all the nice benefits and everything that are in here. I'm gonna look a little crazy for a bit, but this is gonna be good to help like reduce inflammation. It's gonna prep my skin for the product. Okay, I look like a complete ghost, but oh my god, my skin feels amazing now. I look insane. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this on. In the meantime, I'm gonna prep all our products for today, and I'll catch you guys in like 15 minutes. Also, I like to put all of the excess product on my hands and like rub it in because I don't like to waste it, you know? So, getting into this makeup, I'm going to start off by using the Rose Water and Coconut Water Toner Mist. We're using a lot of rose products today. This is going to help balance the pH levels of my skin. So just light misting of this. Fan until my skin absorbs and we can start with makeup. Alright guys, so K-pop stars are known for having like blurred, literally like blurred, beautiful, perfect skin. So I'm going to use this It's About Prime Blurring Makeup Primer. This is going to make sure that all of our products stay on when we're performing to our sold out shows, our arenas. I actually really do like this though because it keeps the makeup on literally all day long and makes my skin look super smooth when in reality, it's not. Wow. Looks good. Next, we are moving on to foundation. Today, I'm going to use the Match Made Luminous Liquid Foundation. I'm kind of like in between shades right now. I'm using 29 and 30. I'm just going to mix these two together. I love this because it comes with a pump. I like the square container. Big fan. So, I'm going to mix these two. Okay, so I'm applying... Ooh, hello? My FBI agent's here. Okay, I'm using this cute little sponge to apply the product. This is literally such great coverage. As I said before, I ate a lot of dairy this weekend, and I love dairy, but my skin does not. Every time I have it, I kind of freak out. But you would have no idea with this foundation, and I love that it has a nice kind of glowy, dewy finish. In normal life, honestly, I'm a really big fan of matte skin, but for something like this, K-pop stars always have really glowy, dewy, healthy looking skin. So we're going to apply this, and it's gonna give us that great coverage and finish that we want. Okay, so a little bit about the Creme Shop. I've been a fan for like 2 or 3 years now. I tried them originally at BeautyCon a while ago, and I absolutely love their lashes. They have great lashes. They're an indie brand, and they're based out of LA, which is really cool. You guys, my skin looks actually insane right now. Also, the stuff is so affordable, like actually so great. I found it at CVS. I see their cute little like end cap all the time at CVS. She is padded in. She's looking healthy. Of course, we need to blend her down to our neck, but overall that's like really good. I feel like it laid down a good solid foundation. But as I said, I've got a couple breakouts, and K-pop stars are known for being like bright and awake looking after they train all day and perform all day. They honestly probably are very tired, but they look awake. They look like they just woke up from hibernation. I'm gonna use the Cover Story Full Coverage Concealer, which this stuff is so good. I love the little packaging. I like the applicator. And I'm going to put some under my eyes. I'm using the shade Medium under my eyes to make me look awake and light and bright on my actual blemishes, which I have scarring on my cheeks and then some little friends up at the top. I'm gonna use shade Medium right on top of those. But I like going in and spot correcting after laying down like a nice foundation already, so it's not too cakey. And then I'm gonna use this little foundation brush and cover up all my little friends. Next up, we're gonna set the face. I love translucent powder. I use it literally every day of my makeup routine. I'm a bigger fan of this than like pressed powders and things. And this one is seriously so good. It reminds me a lot of the like higher end ones, but it's like a fifth, a sixth of the price. I'm gonna put some on this powder brush and just gently tap it into the skin all over to set everything and keep my skin nice and matte. Also, fun facts about the Creme Shop, it is all inclusive and also cruelty free, which is incredible, and I love that about them. Face, I think it looks like it's good to go. All right, moving on with the skin, I'm going to use some really fun products today. These are cushions. These are cushions. Cushion products are huge in K-beauty if you didn't know, and I like them a lot because they're really great if you're looking for a really natural look, or you can use them under your powder products just to like amplify the look, and they also make my products stay on longer, so that's really cool. So today I'm gonna do cushion highlighter, bronzer, and blush. So we're gonna start off with bronzer, and this one is in the shade Toasty. If you open up the product, it's like a little compact. There's a little like applicator inside, and then the product is like a sponge looking thing like this. You just tap the product in. I'm gonna put a little bit on the back of my hand to kind of like work it in first so it's not too much right off the bat. Then I'm gonna go in where I would normally contour my products and just apply a little bit here, going up and down. On an everyday basis, I definitely put a lot more, but I just kind of want to help sculpt my face. Honestly, Rosie's face is a lot slimmer than mine, so I'm gonna create the illusion of that. For like a nice summer day, these products are really good too. If you just want like really light makeup, you can just throw like a little like tinted moisturizer, like BB cream on with these products. And then also, I like using things like this when it's hot out, because either way you're gonna get sweaty outside. So I think it just kind of like sweats better when it's like a cream product versus like powders getting all gross, and you know what I mean? That looks really, really, really good. And then on the nose, I'm gonna fold this little dude, put a little bit, and she has a much slimmer nose than me as well. So we're just gonna use some bronzer and create the illusion of a flatter, thinner nose. And then I'm just gonna use a little brush just to kind of like blend it out a little bit. And then we'll set all of this with powder products after. It looks good, right?
Yeah, I was like, your nose literally...
My nose is snatched to the gods. Okay, next up, I'm gonna do blush. I always follow up with blush after bronzer. This is the Très Chic in La Vie en Rose. All these products are so perfect. I picked them based on color, but this is perfect. Cutest packaging ever also, by the way. Now, K-pop stars go like ham on the blush. I normally don't wear blush at all, so this is gonna be new for me. But again, I'm just gonna pat on the back of my hand, and this color looks literally exactly like how Rosie always wears her blush. Rose, I'm so sorry if I'm botching the name. She goes hard with the blush, and again, I'm gonna be dancing. I've got to perform. I've got lots of people to please, and I'm sure she gets very sweaty like while standing outside and performing all the time. So the cushion products underneath the powder products will keep my powder products on longer, along with like the primer and everything too. Again, I don't normally do blush, so I'm a little scared. It's kind of cute. I'm gonna blend her out a little bit with a brush, but this is legitimately how she wears her blush. She puts so much on. Then we're gonna finish off with highlighter, and this is Ready Set Glow in Pink Glow, because obviously Blackpink. So this one I'm just gonna put on top. I've noticed she actually doesn't use a ton of highlighter. Well, I love highlighter. We all need just like a little bit. You gotta help me out, girl. A little bit on the tops of the cheeks, and then a little bit on the edge of the nose, because it's me. So overall, I think the skin looks really nice and dewy and glowy. And then again, as I said, we're going to set the product. So I'm going to use the PCH bronzer in Tiki Bikini, and I'm just going to apply this very, very, very lightly on top of the cushion bronzer. But this is just going to kind of set everything, really sculpt the face a little more too, because again, you need it. All right, that's good. Gonna set the nose a little bit too. On the cheeks, we have many options. I think I'm gonna use this one here called Cheri, which I love. And again, we wanna go in ham with the blush, especially because right now I'm getting washed out, but like, trust me, it is pink in real life. And then highlighter, I'm going to use this little palette here. This is the Halo Lovely palette in Alpha. And I'm actually going to use a matte highlighter, which I normally love, glittery to the gods, but Rosie doesn't. So we're just gonna use this matte cream color. It has like a very, very, very light shimmer, but not like straight up glitter. But it's gonna add like a nice sheen to the cheeks and just kind of like lift up the face. A little bit of that on there. It's actually really, really, really pretty. And then a little bit on the nose again. Blend out with the blush brush. Okay, moving on to eyes. I've noticed that she loves using like blushy, pink, and kind of like red tones on the eyes, which I've never done before, really. Wish me luck. So I'm gonna use the So Shady Heartbreaker palette, and I'm going to put this color called Not Interested, which pretty much matches my shirt perfectly, all over the lid. And then I'm gonna put Illy in the crease, which is like kind of like a maroon shimmery color, and she loves glitter, so I might even pack some glitter on top. K-pop stars love putting red on the eyes. I always get nervous that I look like I have pink eye, but I'm doing it for you, Rosie. God, if I'm saying her name wrong, this entire video is gonna be so offensive. These eyeshadows blend very well. Wow! Also, I'm just gonna put a little bit on the lower lash line to kind of like tie it all together. I know it's looking a little crazy right now, but I promise we're gonna tie the whole look together. I'm going to start by doing my brows. And Korean brows are actually very straight. My brows actually grow naturally very straight, but I have them microbladed and like tattooed on to have an arch because I don't normally have one. But today we are going to attempt to make mine look straight again. So I'm going to use the micro brow pencil, which is really good. I'm gonna use the shade Dark Brown, and I'm going to attempt to just kind of like fill them in and then also just kind of draw them a little straighter than normal. Pretty straight, looks good. Kind of hard to cover up a tattoo, but it's fine. Okay, so I'm gonna speed through all these, but I want to talk to you guys about the lashes. These are the new 3D lashes from the Creme Shop, which are coming out very soon. These are called the Creme de la Creme. I have worn these already and I love them. And they're also faux mink lashes, so they look really nice and really expensive, but they're cruelty-free, which is great. And again, not nearly as expensive as a lot of lashes. Here they are, they're really pretty. I have small eyes, so I need to cut these down, but we're gonna do everything else, speed through this, and then we will finish off the look. The best lengthening mascara I've ever seen. Wow. Yeah. These actually look exactly like lashes that she wears a lot too. Look at this machine. It's a fan.
Oh my god. The level of extraness.
When you got hooded eyelids, you gotta adapt. Oh, these look so good. Wow. Good lashes will also cover up your bad blending eyeshadow job. Finishing off the look, the eyes, I'm gonna put on one more coat of mascara and put this on my bottom lashes as well. So I'm just gonna like blend my real lashes to the falsies. And this is such a good lengthening mascara. This is the Wisp Me Away. Last but not least, for the lips, I want to do something that's moisturizing, but also I kind of want it to match the eye look that's going on. So I had this idea. Stay with me, people. I'm gonna use this product here, which is the Kiss It Better. It's like a lip balm stick thing. This is in the shade You Okay. I'm thinking what I'll do. She wears a lot of like red toned, kind of like almost like stained looking colors. I thought maybe I'll put this product on to moisturize my lips, add like a nice little bit of color, like a nice base, and then go in with the same eyeshadow that I used on my lid and pat it on top, and this will create kind of like a cohesive look, but also it's still nice and moisturizing, and I think it's gonna look good. And it has like a stain finish rather than like a liquid matte lip or something like that. Wow, that actually looks exactly like how she always wears her lips. Alright guys, finished off with one more coat of bottom lash mascara. I love how the lips turned out. And then just to make the eyes pop a little more, I'm gonna go in with that same shadow palette that I used earlier and go into like the light shimmery champagne shade, and then just pop that on the inner corners just to make the eyes pop a little more. There we go. Okay guys, that is our finished rose makeup look. I think it actually looks pretty spot on to what she normally wears. I'm gonna finish off with the I'm Glowing Dewy Primer and Setting Spray. This is gonna give a nice dewiness to the skin and also help our makeup last all day, and it smells really good. Okay, so that is it for makeup. I think it looks really good. I'm actually very impressed with myself. And now I'm gonna clear all this off and we're gonna move on to hair. Alright, so obviously I'm taking this transformation very seriously, and K-pop stars change their hair more than I change my clothes. I feel like it's insane how much they change it. I don't know how they still have hair attached to their heads because mine would have fallen out by now. But our girl Rosie is known for having red hair pretty often. So we went to the store, we got ourselves a wig, and here's the footage of that. Alright guys, first order of business, obviously if I'm gonna be Rosie, then I need to get the hair. And unfortunately, I don't really feel like bleaching my whole head white and then dyeing it red. So next best thing, we're at the wig shop. Let's go get ourselves a red wig. Here we go. We have arrived at the wig shop. This one, a little more black on the top, but not awful. That is oh wait, that one. Oh my god, wait. That's wait, that one is literally it. Eli's gonna take over. I'm gonna look around. I wanna be blonde again.
Well, you can with this place. I feel like this place would be scary at night. You got some housewife vibes, some specialty vibes.
A toupee.
Maybe.
I think that's the right shade of red. Alright, we got in trouble for filming in there, but wig acquired. This is like legitimately so spot on. It's like one of the first ones I saw, as you saw. I was actually really nervous they wouldn't have anything, but they do!
She secured the bag.
Yay! Rosie, here we come.
Here we come. Woo!
Please don't come for me. I don't know what I'm doing, but we found the perfect wig, and she also gave me some wig caps. Oh, you know what? I probably have to like push all my hair back. God, I look like a man. Abort, abort.
I've just never seen you struggle so much.
My arms hurt. Wait, I have an idea, Okay, I have a good feeling about this one. Oh my god, wait, it looks kind of good. Alright guys, we got the hair, we got the makeup. I think it looks pretty good. I am now going to be late to rehearsal, so I gotta run out the door, go to the studio, and I will see you guys when we get there.
Sad.
You can't do this. We wrapped. We are done. Wig snatched. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had such a fun time transforming myself into Rose. And here is the final look. I did a little recreating of her Instagram picture and I thought I did a pretty good job. I wish the wig had been a little longer, but honestly, can't complain. Thank you again to the Creme Shop for sponsoring this video. If you guys want to try any of the products that I used in the video, they will all be linked down below. Be sure to try them out. My favorite products for sure were the foundation, the lip products, and the eyelashes were super good. So yeah, I love you guys and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!